Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Meta Quiz 3 which keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. So here are some troubleshooting guides for your router, signal and network. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. Clear the headset Wi-Fi network cache. Press the Meta button on your right touch plus controller to bring up the universal menu bar. Select the Quick Settings panel, the clock and battery status area on the left side. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the main settings dashboard. Select Wi-Fi, then click on your active network name and choose the option to forget the network. Restart your MetaQuest 3 headset. Return to the Wi-Fi menu and re-enter your wireless password. Fix 2. Perform a hard power cycle on your router. Unplug the power adapter cable directly from the back of your home internet router and modem. Leave the networking equipment completely powered off for at least 60 seconds to flush temporary cache files. Plug your modem back in first, followed by a router, and wait for all status indicator lights to turn solid green or white. Reconnect your MetaQuest 3 to the network to see if local IP address assignment conflicts are resolved. Fix 3. Disable dual band smart steering on your router. Open a web browser on a computer connected to your home network and enter your router's IP address. Example 192.168.1.1. Log in using your router's administrative username and password credentials. You need to navigate to the wireless settings panel and locate the option for smart steering, band steering, or sun. Toggle this feature off to split your Wi-Fi into two distinct, separate network names like your SSIDs, one for 2.4 GHz and one for 5 GHz or 6 GHz. Connect your MetaQuest 3 exclusively to the 5 GHz or 6 GHz network name to prevent the headset from randomly dropping the signal while switching bands. Fix 4. Turn off the headset Wi-Fi power saving mode. Put on your MetaQuest 3 headset and navigate back to the main settings dashboard. Select the System Category tab and click on the Power submenu option. Locate any active power saving toggles related to wireless connectivity or sleep state management. Switch these power saving profile off to prevent the device from cutting off network communication streams during brief periods of physical inactivity. Fix 5. Change your wireless channel width and frequency. Access your router's administrative dashboard again through your web browser. Open the Advanced 5G or 6G wireless configuration tab. Change the channel configuration from auto to a less crowded manual channel, such as 36, 44, or 149. Adjust your channel width to a stable 80 Hz setting instead of 160 Hz if you notice frequent range drops. Save your modifications, reboot the router, and reconnect your virtual reality headset. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also don't hit the subscribe button.